Hello guys, ayan, gumawa ako ng ating chocolate muffins. 3/4 cup of brown sugar, half cup cocoa powder, 1 3/4 all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoon baking powder and 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 cup of cream, 1 egg, half cup fresh milk, and half cup melted buttercream, and 2 cups of chocolate chips. Ayan guys. Tapos iluluto natin to ng 20 to 25 minutes. Depende sa inyong oven. Ayan guys. Ang ating double chocolate muffins. Lagay na natin dito. Dito ko na nilagay kasi para minsanan lang. Pagkain lang naman namin to ni Suping guys. Ayan. Ayan guys. Baba lang yung apoy. Ayan guys. Update ko kayo mamaya.